What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to contact Steam support, or basically Steam's customer support, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So there are a couple of ways on how you can contact Steam support. You can visit help.steampower.com, and over here you can sign into your account and try to fix issues you have. Select the most relevant option on the page, and the help site will guide you to self-solve the issue or send a help request to the Steam support team. Of course, you can contact it directly. You are having a mobile number. I believe this is an American number, which goes 425-889-9642. This is the support website for Steam. You can use this website to recover it, or basically you can try calling the Steam on this number. Of course, basically there is an email address which goes support@steampower.com and no reply at steampower.com to your contacts and trusted senders. You can send them an email and hope that they will basically send you a reply. Do they have a 24-hour support? Of course they have. Sign in to get personalized help for 24/7. Can you chat with them? The only way you can speak with a Steam support agent about your account is through the support help site. And as you can see over here on the help site, we are having community help, and of course use the Steam help wizard to narrow down your topic and get the help you need. So basically guys, overall you can contact them through various ways I just gave you. Try to fix it yourself, and if you cannot, try to call them if you can, or send them an email. Guys, that's the entirety of the process, so thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.